This is off the spares car. From memory, the one off the FJ was even worse than this one. So we'll go with this one, and I'll hit it with some paint stripper, and then I'll attack the rust. Ended up going straight for the 40-60 grit, and this is half of the inside not done, and we've knocked out a fair bit on that side, still more to do. And on the face, a lot better. Because this stone tray came from the black car that I bought to wreck the parts, I think it's going to be a good idea to do a trial fit, whack the guards back on, and see if it's anywhere near. Pretty pleased with this end. Where it's folded up to the bumper bar supports is a bit bent back too far, so I can straighten that. Had a look at a original FJ the other day, which original paint, don't think it's been hit in the front, and the fit's really no better than this, so pretty happy with that. One of these end pieces was quite bent and buckled. I've straightened it out, but could use a little bit more, but nearly there. And I notice up here where I fix some other dents, it's too hollow there now, so I've got to bring that up back up to height. Rest of it's pretty good. Happy. Back on again. I think we're nearly as good as we're going to get, except for a couple of spots dragging the chain. I'll try and get them a little bit better, but I think we're pretty good now. On the end here is very gappy, but I don't think it's alone in that. A little bit more and we'll call it done.